Now the pattern goes in the opposite direction when we look at scale degree 4. Remember, in our sharp major key signatures, we went to scale degree 5. But for our flat major key signatures, we're going to go to scale degree 4. So let's go C major, which has no sharps or flats, and let's go to scale degree 4. And let's write out F major. And F major has 1 flat. And hopefully you already see where this is going. So scale degree 4 in C major has an F. We take that F and we find a scale that has 1 flat. And let's again go to scale degree 4, which is B flat. And let's write out that scale, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. So F major has 1 flat, and B flat major has 2 flats, B flat and E flat. So that new pattern sets up our flat major key signatures. And notice the scale degree 4 of B flat major is E flat, and E flat major scale would have 3 flats. Now, just as we went from C major to C sharp major with our sharp major key signatures, we're going to go from C major to C flat major with our flat key signatures. So we had C major, which had no sharps or flats, and we went to scale degree 4, which is F major, and that had 1 flat. Scale degree 4, B flat major, 2 flats. Scale degree 4, E flat major, 3 flats. Scale degree 4, A flat major, 4 flats. Scale degree 4, D flat major, 5 flats. G flat major, 6. Finally, we get again to C flat major, which has 7. And again, now that we know how many flats are in each major key signature, we need to know how to apply those flats. Just like we had an order of sharps, we have an order of flats. And again, what's very handy is C major has no sharps or flats, F major has 1 flat, and it's B flat. And all of those flat key signatures will have a B flat. And then an E flat, and then an A flat, a D flat, a G flat, a C flat, and finally an F flat. So the order of flats is B, E, A, D, G, C, F. And that should hopefully look very familiar. And it's one less thing you'll have to memorize. Going this way is the order of flats. But if you remember from our sharp major key signatures, going this way is the order of sharps. The order of sharps was F, C, G, D, A, E, B. Our order of flats, B, E, A, D, G, C, F. Another very handy thing. So it's best to memorize that order of flats and order of sharps. And then you can figure out through our sharp major key signatures scale degree 5 or our flat major key signatures of scale degree 4 to find all of your flat major key signatures.